and not lies. Put your hands up and testify, and my heart will come
Good afternoon, students. Excuse me. Welcome back to another how-to video. I know it's been a little while. It's because I've been thinking. I've been thinking about how I've been doing my how-to videos. And since we've already gone over how to cough a O, how to push the O, now I feel like it isn't up to me to decide what trick you all learn next. I want you guys to decide what tricks you want to learn next. Leave comments, message me, whatever, email, whatever tricks you guys want to learn, let me know. And how I want to do this, the majority will always win. So whatever trick the majority is leaning towards, then that's the trick that we're going to learn. So last week, I was on my Instagram story asking everybody, or asking what trick you all wanted to learn next. And for the few that answered, that spoke up, they wanted to learn a split. And the type of split they wanted to learn was the OG breaker. Well, that's what you all are about to get. I'm your teacher, Class of Trickzz. We're going to be learning how to do the OG breaker. Welcome to the Class of Trickzz. How to do the OG breaker split. First, you want to take your lung hit, blow out the vapor, and with taking minimal steps, you want to cough your O and quickly rotate your hands, and the O should split. Now let's break that down. So for doing the OG breaker split, depending on what hand you trick with, it's going to determine how you rotate your hands. Okay? So if I trick with my right hand, okay, so I push with my right hand, I bend with my right hand. If you're left-handed, meaning you push with your left hand, you bend with your right hand, everything is going to be the opposite of what I'm saying, okay? So everything still applies, just it's the opposite. And I'll go over how to do it if you're a lefty too. So since the OG breaker takes less steps to get that split, the O has to be solid quick before you go for that split. Here's the motions how to do the split. We're going to pretend like we're grabbing a steering wheel, okay, at 9 and 3 o'clock, alright, and we're going to just turn the steering wheel, just like that, okay, turn the steering wheel, just like that. Now, if you're a lefty, you're going to turn this way, the opposite way, okay, if you're a lefty, you're going to turn the opposite way. Now, what I want you to do is flatten your hands out. Okay? If you trick with your right hand is face down. And your left hand is face up. If you trick with your left hand is face down, and your right hand is face up. So, since I trick with my right hand, left hand faced up, right hand face down. And it's the same movement as if you're turning the steering wheel at 9 and 3 o'clock. So once you're at 9 and 3, the right hand goes up to 12 o'clock, maybe a little bit past to 11 and 10, and your bottom left hand will make it to about 6 o'clock. So the movement's like that. Now the biggest tip to this trick is to go slow. Take your time, alright? Of course, you're gonna mess up, but that's okay. It's actually good when you mess up, because then you can see what you're doing wrong and what you can and what you can't do. So mainly what I look for is that rotation. Once I see that rotation, then I realize, okay, so I'm doing the right movements, but I just need to adjust a little bit on where my hands are. And that's what you guys have to do. You guys have to play with it a little bit and find out where your hands need to be. Now, while I was doing this, I found that if your left hand is above the O and your right hand is below the O, and you do that motion slowly, your O will split. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do the OG breaker. The biggest thing that I see people doing or messing up on is they want to go fast. They think that the trick is fast, but it's actually the total opposite. You want to take your time and go slow. If you go slow, I promise half of these tricks that you're trying to do, you'll land. If you just take your time and move slow with the trick. So the next how-to video is going to be determined on how involved you all are. I need more of my students to ask more questions. What tricks do you want to learn? What tricks do you need help with? If you don't talk, then I can't help you. Help me help you. The more you guys talk and engage with me, the more I can understand what tricks you want to learn. And like I said, majority will always win. This won't work without your engagement. If you all want more how-to videos, then I need you guys to leave more comments on what tricks you guys want to learn next. Till next time, I hope you all are practicing now the OG breaker, doubles. Hope your bangs are good. Hope your Cheerio spams are good. Hope your O's are getting nice and thick too. Class dismissed.